Hey everybody, today we are going to be doing a review on SAMETOP, and this is a chest mount phone holder. So those of us that either can't afford a GoPro, this is your next best solution. Alright. So let's open it up and just dive right into it, I think. Alright. Oh, I like this already. Yeah. Okay. Undo this. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it adjusts for us people that are smaller. Let's get this over my head. Alrighty. See there? I did it the hard way. Vivi's trying to open up all these tiny little packages here. Oh! You can balance it too. Oh, I like this. Up or down. Cool. Or...
I'm sure you need to open up the other package.
I'm sure I do. Let me see. I should have brought my scissors over, but I didn't. Oh, this is kind of like a GoPro.
Yeah. So it looks like you can put a GoPro there too.
Yeah.
As well.
It's got the little thingy.
But this one comes with the camera clip.
Yeah.
Which a lot of GoPros, they don't have that.
No, you always got to buy these separate. How do we know? Because we got a GoPro. Oh, cool. So you can put this in here. Oh, nice. Cameraman's gonna love this.
I think what's good about that.
And it'll tilt, go up or down.
Right, you can shoot sideways or upways.
Yeah. Okay.
You're doing some hiking videos, and like I said, all you got is a cell phone.
This would be perfect. Once BB figures out how to put it on.
You probably had it right.
Probably right the first time. Yeah.
Alright, because it's new, but basically you slide it from the top down. Alright, BB, put it back.
Alright.
Now she has it facing with the open end open this way.
Mm-hmm.
You can always turn that around and have the open end towards you.
Wait a minute. I gotta close it up because I done got myself all fandangled up here. Alright, so there we go. Just like putting on a shirt.
Right, but I mean it does have the clip to put it on like that.
It does, and then your adjuster.
Yeah.
So, with this, I like this part.
Right, because it screws and it's not a spring activated. Because usually those spring activated ones, they get weak over time.
Yeah, they do.
And that one has a locking
mechanism. I like that. So then this way you can do it this way.
Well, I would turn the phone the other way just for reference to show.
Which way? This way?
No, the lens facing me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because basically, I mean, you have it on kind of backwards.
How do I have it on kind of backwards?
I'll show you. Let's get it right. Let's get it right because you want to be able to control and hit the buttons on the phone while it's on there. So that piece right there, take it off.
What piece?
That, right.
This one?
The long thing. There you go.
Okay.
And then you turn it around. There you go.
like this.
Right, because the camera lens isn't going to be affected by the bar going across.
Okay.
But you can face it either way. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you want to shoot from the front face, you can. If you want to shoot from the back side, you can. And then you see how you can look at the thing to turn it on and off. And
okay, yeah, that makes sense.
yeah. But either way, you can shoot it, because if you did a selfie way and you wanted to see how it's facing your face, now you can have the camera facing your face when you're vlogging. Instead of holding a selfie stick, and you see it how you have it on that angle.
Yeah.
And you can walk with it or do what, like go on a roller coaster. And a lot of these things, they'll let you on rides with them.
But
these
not
type of
selfie
props.
sticks.
Right, not with selfie sticks. They'll let you on ride with the hand one, the wrist one, and something like this. Because when we did the water ride, I had the vest for the GoPro.
Yeah.
And if your phone is even waterproof, that's even
better. I mean, ours is to a certain extent, but...
Right. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about the adjustment too much. I mean...
Well, I know, because you're going to be having it, so...
No, I'm just saying, I mean, but basically. Yeah. And then you put it up like that, right, and then tighten it. And see, this way you can see the phone and hit...
Oh, I'm going...
You know, you can hit the programs on the phone. And then, once you tighten it, loosen up that centerpiece.
Yeah.
Loosen up the centerpiece on it. Now go sideways. Okay, you probably have to turn it. Turn it. Right. There you go.
See,
and then tighten it that way. And then if you want to shoot the wide angle way.
Which is this is the wide. And then,
And again, And then again, if you tilt it forward, unloosen that piece on the bottom one. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Left, you gotta go down. There you go. The other way, dude. Lefty loosey.
Got it off. Can't get it off.
Okay, let's see if we can get it off. All right, hang on.
Oh, I got it.
There you go.
All right.
Yeah, it's lefty loosey. And then like that, now tighten it. Now, if you wanted to do a vlog to where it's facing you, you can. And then another accessory is if you buy a mini selfie stick that has the bottom, if you move your hand real quick, like that, like a GoPro attachment, then you can bring that phone up even higher. And then again...
And they do sell them like that, and they have them like the selfie sticks, but they kind of go like out this way, and then they have a little adjustable arm.
Right.
Go up.
Right.
Yeah.
But no, that's good. And like I said, if you want to self-vlog that way, you can.
I like this. This is kind of cool. I like it that it locks into place, though. There's no spring.
And it's not moving at all. Like, you got that sucker locked in.
And if you have, what do they call that? Backlight?
Yeah.
You can put the backlight.
You have an attachment there for the back, for the light.
For a light, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cool.
I like it that this is nice and spongy, too. So if you're wearing it and you're sweating.
Right.
It's... Here, let me show you.
Well, and then the good thing is that it clips off like a coat.
Yeah.
I like that. Because the other ones you have to pull over.
Over your head, yeah. You've got no other choice.
You had like a life vest on.
Yeah.
Like what I did with the GoPro, that was a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
This here, you can wrap it around, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, so I like this.
That's definitely worth it.
Yes. So, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know in the comment box.
You can put your GoPro on it too, but this is made for cell phones.
Yeah.
Which I personally believe is the best to have, because, like I said, if you can't afford a GoPro,
right?
But the point is, here you're going to get good quality, especially if you have a phone that shoots 8K and But yeah, that's definitely easy to put on.
Yeah. And like I said, with the locking like this, it's not, you don't have to worry about, oh my God, we're around water. Is this thing, I hit a slip, is this thing going to pop out?
Right.
Because we've gone through that so many times.
Yeah, and even with the case on the phone, it fits good.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, and this is an outer box case.
Yeah, and they're usually wider.
And these are wider and they're more durable. So if an outer box case will fit into this bad boy, then we got it going on. So I'm impressed. I mean, it's showing you here people riding their bikes, skiing. Yeah, I mean, it's perfect.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, basically for any outdoor.
Yeah, this way your hands aren't tied up with trying to film either this way or with a selfie stick. You know, you've got your both hands.
Yeah, makes it easy vlogging, especially like when we go to downtown Lakeland and we want to vlog events. I don't have to hold it in my phone. I can just put it right on my chest and walk around.
Because these cell phones today have got stabilizers in it, just like a GoPro. I mean, honestly, why spend the money on a GoPro if your cell phone will do basically the same thing? And this shoots professional. So, I mean, I'm happy with my little Samsungs. But, yeah, guys, I want you to check it out because I think this is a really, really neat outfit that's not for a GoPro. I mean, I've seen them for GoPros, but never for a cell phone. So I'm loving the cell phone thing. And I'm loving this because even if you are, say me, it doesn't take much and I can sweat buckets. This isn't going to rub you raw. You know what I'm saying? It's, yeah, you're going to have a little white spot, but this is going to dry up, call it a day. So yeah, I like that.
Yep. It's a nice little by SAMETOP.
Yeah.
All right, BB. Description will be in the link.
Yeah.
I mean, the link will be in the description.
Got any questions? Put it in the comment box. So until then, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.